Hi TAT fam, it's Glory here again. I officially welcome you to another episode of TWT. It's Travel Workshop with TAT. You should know this by now. Last time, we gave you tips on what to pack, and now we're discussing the how. Number 1, knowing your baggage allowance. Most flight tickets come with 2 pieces of 23 kg baggage allowance. Some even come with 3. Do ensure to check what you're entitled to as soon as you're issued your ticket. 2. Pack properly. Using packing cubes can help you save space, reduce wrinkles, and also help you find your stuff easily. 3. Take the most important footwear. You can stick to 2 or 3 pairs of the required footwear for your destination. For example, if you're heading to a busy city, you'll need more of sneakers. And if you're also heading to a tropical island, you'll need more of slip-ons and nice sandals. Number 4, hand and checked-in luggage items. Make sure to have at least 1 or 2 wares in your hand luggage, just in case you don't get your checked-in luggage. Do not take liquids that are above 100 ml in your hand luggage. Pack them in your checked-in luggage. 5. Personal item bag. Travel wallets containing essential documents and in-flight needs should be in your hand luggage. Final tip, weigh your bags before heading to the airport, and advisably wrap your checked-in luggage to help protect them from theft or scratches. We know you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and turn on post notifications if you haven't already to keep up with us.